watching and liking all our videos, and there's someone that you care about who would also love our helpful music instruction on YouTube.
Maybe it's a friend or your coworker or even a relative. There is someone that you care about who wants to be a better musician. Start with this video.
Share this helpful chart with someone you love, and you'll be giving the gift of music. Subscribe for more great content, and visit our Patreon if you need personalized guitar coaching to the next level.